Welcome all. Today we are going to learn some problems from exercise 6.5, sums based on Pythagoras theorem. Let's start. So we already learned the Pythagoras and the converse of Pythagoras theorem in previous classes. Hope you understood very well. Next we are going to learn some problems based on Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So this is the second problem from exercise 6.5. PQR is a triangle right angled at P and M is a point on QR such that PM is parallel to QR. PM is perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square equal QM dot MR. So first of all, let me draw one triangle based on the problem. So this is triangle PQR. It's mentioned, it's right angled at P. Okay, so I am going to mark P here. And next, so I am going to mark Q and R, and the midpoint of this is M. It's everything mentioned in the question itself, right? M is a point on QR. So next step, I am going to join P and M. Now PM is a perpendicular line to QR. Since it is perpendicular line, we know that this angle is 90 degree. Okay, let me mark this. This is 90 and this is also 90. Let me write these under the given. So angle QMP equal angle PMR. Okay, in both triangle M is the angle which is 90 degree in both triangle. So that's what I written here. Let's start the solution. In order to prove this, I take two triangle, okay, QPM and MPR. First, let's take the triangle PMR. So in triangle PMR, let me consider the angle P as X. Then what will be for R? So we know that the summation of all the angles in triangle is 180 degree, right? So in triangle PMR, the summation of all angles is 180 degree. If you subtract the 180 degree, if you subtract these two angles, we know that angle M is 90, we know that angle P is X. If you subtract these two angles from 180 degree, we will get angle R. So that's what I am going to do. So first let me write angle P. So don't write angle P equal X because the P is common for, actually we don't use the whole angle P, right? This is the, wait a minute, so this is the whole part of P, but now we take this part only. So we have to mention like angle MPR. So in PMR triangle only we consider P as X. So try to write the angle in the middle P. So angle MPR equal X. So like we said, what will be M or P? Angle R equal 180 minus 90 minus X, which gives me 90 minus X. So this is what angle M or P. Let me mark this in the picture. Okay, this one 90 minus X. So this is 90 minus X. Put it in the bracket. Now we found out all the three angles in triangle PMR. Let's try to find the other two angles in QMP. Okay. This time let's take angle QMP, triangle QMP. This time I am going to consider QXX, and same time the angle P, we know that the whole triangle is right angled at P. So we already know this part, okay, which is X. To find this part, so we are able to write 90 minus X. Yes, okay. Because P is right angle triangle, right angle at P. So, if you subtract 90 minus this part x, we will get this portion. That's what I write here. So, let PQM, okay, equal x. So, next one QPM, angle QPM equal 90 minus x. Now we finished finding all the angles. So from the pictures we observed that the corresponding angles are equal. So here it is angle Q equal angle P and angle P equal angle or angle M equal angle M. So we able to say triangle PQM and triangle PMR is similar as per AAA similarity criterion. Angle criterion, right? So let me write all the corresponding angles here. In triangle QMP and triangle PMR, what we found out? Angle MPQ equal angle MRP. So this is 90 minus x. Both are same. And same time triangle PMQ equal angle PMR. So MM equal, which is 90 degree, and angle MQP equal angle MPR, which is x. Okay, so corresponding angles are equal. So able to write triangle QMP similar to triangle PMR as per AA similarity criterion. If two triangles is said to be similar, we know that the corresponding sides are proportional, right? So to write the ratio properly, you can use the trick. See, look at here, QM upon PM and MP upon MR and QP upon PR. If this is possible, if you write it in correct way, if you write this part in correct way, the trick's going to work. So how did we write this step? Let's go back to the picture. So look at here. So I write this way. So QMP, you start, so this is the one triangle, right? QMP. When you write the second triangle, start from the previous ending point. So PMR. So previous first triangle you have to write this way, QMP, and second triangle you have to write this way, the finishing point PMR. So then only the trick's going to work. So QM upon PM equal MP upon MR. So let's cross multiply. PM and MP both are same. So PM square equal MP dot QM. This is what we need to prove. Let's solve more problems in further classes. Hope you understand. Thank you.